Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to make a site plan with roads in Revit. I have opened an Imperial Architecture template. So in the Imperial Architecture template, straight away I'll go to the site plan. Or we can make our elevation also. So I will make the elevations first. I will go to the north elevation. So here I have already in default 2 elevations. So I will change this level to 12 feet, right? And I will make another elevation. So I will go to architecture and I will click level. I will make another level, not elevation. I will click line. I will make it 12 feet and I will place this one here. And I will rename that elevation. So I will rename that one because it's below the 0 level. So I will make it level 0. So it's easy to identify without confusing. So level 0, level 1, level 2. Level 0 is right. Level 0 is in minus 12 feet. Right. Now I will go to my site plan. And here this is the site plan. I will go to massing and site. I'll click Toposurface and I'll give the elevation height around 12 feet and I'll click here 1 point and here. So at this north side it's 12 feet and I will make it 0 feet around here at this point. Elevation is 0 feet and here minus 12 feet. I'll make it minus 12 feet at the south of the site and I'll click finish. Now if you want you can go to view, right, view, default 3D view. Yeah, your site plan will be like this, right, a slope 12 feet, right, and here minus. When you go to your north elevation here, right, again I'll go to the site plan and I'll go to massing and site. I'll go to the level 0. I'll go to the level 0. Go to level 0. In the level 0, in the massing and site, I will place a building pad. I'll click building pad. Just I'll draw a simple rectangle building. Something. Okay. And I'll click finish. So go to 3D view. Here if you want make it realistic. So here you will get a building pad. Something like this. Right. Now I will select my building pad. So when I will go to the structure and I'll go to the structure here and I will make that one for 12 feet, right, the building pad and OK, apply, OK, and here the height offset also I will make it 12 feet, right. So you will have something like this, the building pad, right. Now again I will go to my site plan. I will go to architecture. I will click wall. The basic wall generic 8 inch. I will give the wall height around 22 feet at the moment. I'm in the site plan. And I'll click pick line and I will give an offset also. I'll give offset 3 feet. So simply this is my wall, right? And after that I will go to the floor. I'll go to the floor and I'll select pick wall. I'll give offset around 2 feet, right? We'll make it 12 inch, right? The floor thickness is 12 inch. This is the floor. I will finish that one and we'll go to the 3D view. We have to adjust the floor, I think so. Here, select the floor. The floor is selected. I will make the offset around 1 feet, little bit. Come up. Yeah. I'll make it 1 foot. The floor. Right. Now we can make the roof also. If you want, I'll go to the architecture simple roof. I'll go to roof by footprint. I'll make an overhang 3 feet. This side I will untick the define slope for this side and click, and I'll attach the file, and I'll go to 3D view. Base level, I'll make this one level 2. Right. So here a small building. Right. Now I'll go again to the site plan or to the level 1. Right. I will go to the doors, load families. I will go to the door quickly. I will go to the residential. I will check a garage door. Right. I will check this door garage flush panel and press open. And I will place something here. If I want, I will just increase the width of the door, garage door. I will select it here. Edit. I will quickly make increase the width 10 feet. In height, that is right. The width of the door is now 10 feet. Okay, fine. So here the 3D view. We have a small building, a door. I am going to make a road to this garage door. So I'll go to my site plan. You want to make this one wireframe so you can see the door and everything. Right. So this is the important thing. I am in the site plan, very important. So to make the road, I will make some detail lines first. So go to annotate. Detail lines are very important. Go to annotate. Detail line. Right. So here from this edge, I will take a detail line to my road. So the road comes like here. Okay. Up to here. I will take the selection tool. I will move this one a little bit close to the gate. Right. Now I'll again go to the detail line. I'll click pick line. I'll make a 12 feet road. So I'll select type 12 feet and I'll make the offset. Again, I'll select the fillet and a radius. I'll give a radius around 5 feet. To curve the road sketch. Actually, this is not the road, this is the detail line for the road. Right. Fine. Now we'll make the split this area, this topo surface, only this road area. So I'll go to massing and site. I'll go to massing and site. I'll click split surface. Click split surface. After that, select the surface. So this is the surface. After that, select the line. And here, this is the surface area. We are going to split separately the road area. Again, this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side. Carefully, you have to make it. Yeah, something, right? Not to miss anything. Right, check everything, the corners, check the corners are perfectly joined. Right. Now, sorry, we have to, this also you have to connect, select this one, and we have to then close the one side. Now click finish. Now here in the surface, this is a different surface and this is another surface. We have split it here. You can select this road separately, this one is separately here. Right. some more we have work. Again, we have to split the surface to the side pathway or something like that for the pathway, side pathway. So again, I'll go to massing and side. I'll again click split surface. Again, I'll select this surface. I will click pick line, and again I will make the outline to the same carefully. Oh, right. Again, I will click pick line. I will give an offset around 12 inch for my pathway. So to the outer side, make it the pathway, something like this. Outer part. Right. And here also take the line. Still 1 foot is there. Click from here to here. Check the trim tool. Join this one. Right. Now after that you have to delete the inner line, right? Delete the inner line. We don't need that one. So delete the inner lines carefully. Do it very carefully. Right. Now I will click finish. Yeah. So now I can able to select only the pathway. So I can select this one separately, the road separately, the pathway separately. So I'll select the pathway and I'll go here, isolate element. So only the path isolate element. So the selected element will be view, others are hidden, others will be isolated. So I am going to make this one as a 3D. You have to make this one as a 3D because see this, the surface is not a flat one. It's having a right 12 feet in high, in other side 12 feet, minus 12 feet in lower, right in the middle the 0 feet, right? So according to that we have to extrude or we have to make it out a 3D. So the easiest way to make it out the 3D, I'm going to click File, Export, CAD Format, DWG, click Next, and I will save this one in my desktop. So I'll say road, I'll give a name road and I'll click OK. Simply I saved that one. And here leave the temporary hide isolated mode on the export, right? We don't need that one. So we only have to only export this side pathway. So leave the temporary hide isolate mode on the export. Right. Now go to massing and side. Click in place mask. This message will come. Just close it. Give a mask name, or you can give it mask name, or make it roadway or something. Right. And press OK. Go to insert and import CAD. We are going to import that one. Import CAD. Here the road and press open. So here it's imported. It's imported. So now it's imported. We have to do a small setting. So I will select that one. And here I will give the offset around 12 feet. Right. Right. Now I will click finish mask. Finish mask. Right. This warning will come. Don't worry about that. Now go to again massing and side. And we have to make this one as a roof. We have to extrude this one, right? We have to make it 3D. So I'm going to make it a roof by face, right? So it's not going to be a roof actually, but we are going to make that walkway part. So click roof, select multiple and drag and select. Right here you can define the roof thickness here 12 inch. Right, I'll make it 12 inch and I will keep it as if you want you can give a material, or we can keep it as like that. I'll click create roof. It's create roof. Right, it's fine, create roof. Now go to the 3D view, or we can reset the isolate, reset temporary hidden. Here we have that one. We have that one. Right, now what I do, I will make this one to wireframe or hidden lines. Right, now we can we have a small another work. We have to make a profile and we have to sweep to this one because it's a roof. Right, so what I do, I will go to file, new, family. I'll go to English Imperial. I'm using Imperial. I'll select the family template as profile and open. So I'm going to make the walkway border or walkway edge. Right. So I will click a line tool. I will make that one for 1 foot. Yeah, 1 foot. This one I will make it. Yeah, I will keep it as 6 inch. Oh, on the bottom, I'll come from the bottom here. 6 inch, around 8 inch, something like this. Oh, yeah. So this is the edge of that one. So this is our profile. You can save it, or straight away you can load it to the project. So you can, I will straight away load into the project. I'm in the family, so it will load the project, load into the project. Right. You want to go to the 3D view. Right. Make it realistic if you want. Go to roof. Roof by footprint. Sorry. Fascia. Click fascia. Click fascia. And here go to edit type, and in the profile select the family one which we have loaded to the project. These are the default fascia. Right, here I'll select the family one. If you want you can give a material, so I'll straight away I'll go to the material. I'll go to the material and I will create a new material. I will right click and rename that one W-A-L-K walkway, and go to open close access browser. Go to appearance library. What I do, I will go to paint will be fine, I think so. Paint will be fine. I'll go to paint. I'll give white. I'll give this powder coated white. All right, I'll give that one. The material is up to you. I'll give white and apply and OK. So the family one we apply, OK. So we selected fascia and select the edge of the, yeah. So you will get the carefully you have to select. It is difficult, go to the hidden line. It's difficult to see shaded. Oh, better to have it realistic so we can see the where is it coming here. We can adjust the offset later, I think so. The roof, right? The roof. I will. What I do, I'll select the roof and I'll just at the moment I'll make it a little bit upper 1 foot, so it'll come up, right? It'll come up. Now I'll go to, so it's easy to identify. Just after that we'll make it down. I'll go to roof, fascia, edit type. Yeah, I will select the family, the material, create new, right click, rename, walkway, open close SS browser, appearance library. I'll go to the paint. Or stone also can be given. I'll go to the stone, fine, marble, I'll select silver light. I'll go to the paint. That is fine. Paint. I'll go to paint. That's up to you. I'll select this one. Paint. Double click that one. Powder coated. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay. Right. Carefully select the edges. Here. Carefully select the edge line. Have to do it carefully. The curve we are unable to select the edge. You see. Yeah. In this corner you have to select one by one. Right. We have to turn that one. So you have to select the edge carefully. That is very important. Okay. Because there are a lot of edge lines. So you have to select the correct one. I know it's not an easy task. You have to try it carefully. Yeah, it's something went wrong. Okay. We'll make out this one. After that we can delete that one, I think so. Yeah. Right, so make it out carefully, the pathway. At these points you have to do one by one. And when you are selecting, check the line. The missing parts we will rotate it and we will place it. You can't see the edge. So patiently place the edges clearly and be aware when you are selecting the line not to select the inner lines. Right, mostly okay. I had to obit this one. We have another, all the corners are okay. Right. Now if you want, right, now if you want, you can, again we have to offset that roof a little bit below one. Because to see the edge, we again have to select the roof. Here the roof, not the mast, you have to select the roof. I say roof, here I will make this one again 0. So only the pathway will be up here. Right. Now we have the pathway. Now we'll give the material to the road. Here, select here. Go to material. Click create new material. Create new material. I'll right click. I'll say road. And I'll go to here. Appearance library. I will go to sighting. Clapboard, smooth. I'll click this one. I'll double it to we will see. Okay. Yeah, that is the road. If you want, you can. We are in realistic, right? And you can change the material. I'll select the road again. Right, we'll keep it as this. Now select this one. If you want, you can give a material for that one also. If you are going to give different these things, you can give. I'll create rename. I will rename ground. I will select the ground. Where is the ground? I rename it G. Yeah. Open access browser. Appearance library. Here also I'll go to the sighting. I can give a grass site work. Grass short, hedge, grass dark. I will give a grass dark, right? And apply and OK. And here make it realistic. Right here. You have a nice walkway with a road, right? So So try this one and make it out. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned how to make a site plan with road in Revit. If you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment box.